earth to fall on the railway line? Yes or no?
I think true.
Still your network is breaking. Okay, it's fine. Let us move on to the next slide. Adya, I send you the work. Go through it. If you have any problem, let me know. All right. Okay. Where is Arav? Arav, I'm not able to see you, beta. Please switch on your video. Everyone, I have to tell you each and every day. Please switch on your videos. Okay, Arav, do you have your book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the first sentence and tell me the answer.
The landslide caused the trees and loose earth to fall on the railway line.
Okay.
No.
No, how come no? Have you read the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, quickly, beta. You should not waste time. We have limited time on online classes, right? Have you read the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you should know that trees and soil were coming down. So was the reason a landslide?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is not no, then obviously it should be yes, right? Okay. See, children, these three siblings, they were watching a landslide happen in real life. Okay, first of all, they thought that it was some magic. The trees were moving. But later on, when the soil and earth and everything started falling down, then they realized that it was not magic, but it was actually a landslide. And all the things, the loose soil, the earth, the trees, bushes, they all came down and they fell on the railway track. Okay, so this one will be a yes. The first part is a yes. Please write it down. Okay. Arush, can you do the second one?
False.
Please read the sentence first of all.
Phyllis thought that the trees were moving because of magic. False.
Is it?
No.
Turn the pages of your book and find out. Come on, everyone. Turn the pages of your book and find out. Anush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please switch on your video. Why is your video switched off?
I'm opening.
Ramiza,
Yes, ma'am.
keep your video switched on. Anush, you were there and I was explaining the chapter. What do you think about this part?
No, ma'am, I was not there. Ma'am,
Still,
I'm
I'm
not.
giving you the homework to read the chapter for the last 2 days. You should have read the story. Read it and find out. This is your English class. I'm not here to study, beta. You are here to study. You need to read things and you need to do your homework on time.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children, find out. Read the
Ma'am, which
first page
question?
of the chapter. A part, question number 2.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, it is true.
Yes, it is true. See, there is a whole dialogue that is devoted to it. On to page 38. See what Phyllis is saying. It's magic. Said Phyllis breathlessly. I always knew that railway was enchanted. Means it was having magical powers. And she said this when she saw the trees moving. So actually she thought that the trees were moving because of magic. This is true. Put a Y in front of question number 2. Okay. Akshara, what is the next question? Third part. Please read it.
The children ran back home to see red
Pet.
flag.
Pet.
Red flag to wave at the train.
And it will be the train, okay?
Ma'am,
Whenever
it
we
will
have
be
a vowel after then the sound is E. But right now we are having a T in front of the. So the pronunciation will be the. It will not be the. Alright?
okay.
Okay.
The answer is no.
Yes, correct. The answer is no. So how did the children found their red flags? What did they use for the red flags, Anush? The third answer is no, children. Write down N in front of it. Ramiza, what did the children use for the red flags?
Ma'am, the scarf. Ma'am, red scarf.
The scarves, their woolen scarves that they were wearing. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Anush, please read the chapter. You have got very good marks in this unit test. Please try to improve it. Okay, the fourth one. Ramiza, read the fourth one with me.
Sorry, ma'am.
Please read the fourth sentence.
The children were able to stop the train successfully. Yes.
Yes, correct. The train stopped on time and the children were able to prevent any accident. All right. So the fourth answer is a yes. Okay, the fifth one. Yeah, read the fifth one. Yeah. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
are you having the book? Please sit down somewhere and open your video. You're not supposed to roam around on the terrace, yeah. Okay, Akshara, read the fifth sentence.
Peter and Phyllis did not enjoy the phrase they got for their
Akshara, it will be the, P is not a vowel. The praise.
the praise they got for their quick thinking.
Okay. So, is it true or false?
Ma'am, no.
Yes, correct. Actually, they enjoyed it a lot. Okay, only Bobby was there who wanted to go home. So, this is a no, N. Write down N in front of the fifth question. Okay, now let us come to the B part. Let us read the first question. Arab, read the first question. Please switch on your videos. Beta, you are having internal marks for class performance. If you do not listen to me, I will not give you marks.
Yeah, Janna.
Every time I will not keep on telling you, you have to keep your video on and your microphone on.
Why does the author describe the noise that Bobby heard as very odd?
It is heard. 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 Say it again. Repeat the word.
Heard.
Heard. Heard is the past form of hear. Okay, when you are able to hear a sound and recognize. All right. So, what is this very odd sound? It is again a question from the first page of the chapter. You people are not reading the chapter at home. Very bad. Arush, help your brother.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Akshara.
It was the noise of the train.
No, at that time the train wasn't coming, beta. This is on the first page. What was happening on the first page of the story? And whenever you ask for permission, please use the word me. All right. Don't use can.
Ma'am, the sound of the wind and branches.
Just a minute.
And the sound of
Let
landslide.
us finish. Yes.
It was the sound of. It was the sound of landslide.
Yes, it was the sound of the landslide that was actually happening near the railway track. All right. And why was it very odd? Why do you think it was very odd? The sound you have recognized, that is correct. But why was it odd? Think, read the chapter. Why do you think it was very odd? Come on, something must be coming in your mind. I'm there to correct you, but you should keep on pushing for guesses. Maybe you have the correct answer with you.
Ma'am, because it was the sound of the stone.
Yes, Akshara, what are you saying?
Ma'am, it was the sound of crushing stone.
No, it was not the sound of crushing stone, okay? Crushing stone makes a different sound. It was the sound of wind rustling the leaves, okay? The leaves moving in the wind. The trees, they were being uprooted and they were sliding down the mountain. Okay, the whispering, rumbling, rustling, these are all the adjectives.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how the trees were making the sound, the leaves were rustling. This is a rustling sound. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
but why was it very odd? Any idea, Ramiza?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to see you, Ramiza. Do you have any idea why the sound was very odd? Okay. See, children, the sound was very odd because you hardly ever hear such a sound. Okay, landslides do not happen every day. So the children had not heard that landslide sound. That is why they thought that it was a very odd sound. All right. Have you understood why it is called very odd? Because they were hearing that sound for the first time in their life. They had never seen a landslide. And you can understand that from the way Phyllis described it, that I knew the trees are moving because of magic. They did not understand that it was actually a landslide and it was not magic. Okay. Now let's come to the second question. Why did Peter ask Bobby not to run to the railway station? Anush,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have the answer to this question?
No, ma'am.
Read
Ma'am, may I tell?
is your time. Read the chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Sure,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
may I tell Krishna?
Yes, tell.
When Peter asked Bobby not to run to the railway station because the time is already 11 and the train passes on 11:29. And if they will run to the railway station, the train would be crashed.
Yes, that was one of the reasons. And the railway station was how far away? How
Some
many
2
miles?
months.
Yes. So this is the reason. Okay, that the station was 2 miles away and it was already past 11. And the train was supposed to pass from that same track at 11:29. So obviously they will not be able to reach the station on time. These children, they cannot run 2 miles within 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. All right, so they thought of an alternative plan. They thought that why don't we make red flagstaff and wave it in front of the train. Have you understood, children? Is it a yes or a no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can use the chat box. You do not have to open your microphone. You can use the chat box and you can type yes, no and send it. Okay, if you have any confusion, you haven't understood something, please use the chat box and let me know. Okay, now the next question is, why did the children run along the railway line? Why were the children running along the railway line? What do you think? See, I'll give you a hint here. The hint is that where the children were standing and where the landslide happened, it was a curvy path. Okay, so the train will not be able to see that mound of rubble until and unless the train came near the mound. Okay, beyond the corner, it came near the mound. And we all know that when a train has to stop, the driver has to apply the brakes beforehand so that slowly the train comes to a stop. Okay, a train is not a two-wheeler that you press the brake and it will stand at one place. So a train needs proper time to slow down and then it stops. Come on, apply your brain. It's a common sense question. Why did the children need to run along the railway line? Would they show that red scarves where they were standing and the train, would it be able to see the flags?
Ma'am, because the mount of the stone has rock and earth and beast crushed, twist trees.
Hmm? That is fine, but how? What was the use of running far away from the ground? Okay, just imagine something. Suppose your house is the second one from the corner house. Okay, you house from the corner of your road. All right, the road in front of you is empty, but the road on your new side, the other side, whether it is left or right, it is up to you. Use your imagination. Suppose the road is about, they have dug a hole on the other side of the road. So how are you going to tell the vehicles that are coming from the other side to stop before the hole? Can you do it from your own house while you are standing in front of your house?
No, ma'am.
Then what do you have to do? Where do you have to go?
Ma'am, we have to go to the road to stop the vehicles.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to go in front of that road on which there is a hole, and then you have to notify the vehicles that are coming that please do not go forward, there is a hole ahead. Okay,
Yes.
so the same way here also the same thing is happening. They cannot stand next to the mound because that mound was on a curvy place, and the train will not be able to see them or the mound until and unless it turns. And when the train will turn, it will be very difficult for the train to stop on time. That is why they had to run and they had to find a straight track where the railway track was straight so that they could stand there and wave their flag. Alright, the train will be able to see them only when they are in front of the train, right? If the train has to take a curve, the driver will not be able to see their flag. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, Arush, again you people have disappeared. Yaya, where are you? Anush, Yaya, Arav. Okay. Come on, Arav, read the next question, the fourth question. Children, be attentive. You have to write the answers on your own.
What was Bobby's fear as they waited for the train? How did she feel at this point in the story?
First of all, we'll answer the first part of the question. Okay. What was Bobby's fear as they waited for the train? What was her fear? What was she feeling when they had made the flagstaffs and they were waving it around? The answer is on the left side page, the left hand page only. You do not have to turn any pages. Read the first paragraph of page 42. Read it. You'll find the answer. It's very easy.
Ma'am, may I? Krishna.
Let them try, Krishna, then you can. Okay? Let them try first. Bobby, they have to stick with suspense. It seemed to her that they had been standing there for hours and hours, holding those silly little red flags that no one would ever notice. She was worried about this thing, that nobody would be able to see them and their little flags. Yes, now what was your answer?
Bobby feared as they waited for the train because no one heard her. At least Peter and Philip didn't for the oncoming rush of the train, covered of the sound of her voice with a mound of sound.
Krishna, you do not have to quote the lines. Okay, you have to write the answer in your own words. Okay, you can quote a phrase or just a single word of the story, but do not copy the whole story. Okay, your marks will be reduced for that. Anyone else? Akshara, do you have the answer?
No, ma'am.
Ramiza?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramiza, what about you? Okay, children, see. The answer will be on page 41. Come to page 41. See the second paragraph of the page. It seemed to her that they had been standing there for hours and hours, holding those silly little red flags that no one would ever notice. So this is what she was scared about. She kept on thinking that it has been so long, we have been standing for hours and hours, and the train hasn't come. And nobody has been able to see the red flags. And then she was also worried that the train wouldn't care. It would go rushing by them and clear around the corner and go crashing into that awful sound. Because if the train would not see the red flags, it would keep on moving and crash into the mound that the landslide had made. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Aravind Arul, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Use the chat box. The chat box is there for a reason. Come on, type yes or no. Anush, Ramiza, and Yaya. The children whose videos are off, I am not going to give them attendance for today.
Ma'am, my video is on all time.
Yes, Ramiza, I am able to see you. I am not talking about you. There are some children who keep on closing their videos every 2 minutes. Okay. Have Have you understood the answer of this question? I have got only 2 yeses. What about the others? Okay, let's move on to the next question. How did she feel at this point in the story? So, what was she feeling at this time? Ramiza, how was Bobby feeling?
Your voice is not clear.
I'm asking the second part of question number 4. How did she feel at this point in the story? What was she feeling at this time?
Ma'am, she was.
You can express it in your own words also. Okay. I think she got disconnected again. Yes, who would like to answer this question? It's open for all. Yes, children, nobody would like to answer. You do not know how she felt. Come on, try. How will you feel if you are standing in front of a coming train and you're waving a red flag? What will you feel?
Ma'am, very scared and ma'am worried and I'm sweating.
Yes. So these were the same feelings that Bobby was feeling. Okay, try to put yourself in the shoes of the character. Then you'll be able to identify the feelings of the character. Right? See, it is written here. Bobby began to feel sick with suspense. She did not know what was going to happen. Right? So she was worried, she was upset, she was scared at the same time. And she was sweating also. All right. Afterwards, when the train came and it stopped, she began to feel shaky, jerky. Okay. And all her energy was gone. She was not able to respond properly to the situation afterwards. Okay. So you can write these feelings also. Krishna, whatever you have experienced, that will also be the correct answer. You can write that also in the question. Okay, and you're going to get full marks for that. Yeah, let's come to the next question. Akshara, please read the question number 5.
Why do you think Bobby did not enjoy the praise she and her siblings received?
Yes. So why do you think Bobby didn't enjoy? Everyone was praising them. They were congratulating them. They were saying that you people are very intelligent. You stopped the train. You prevented a big accident from happening. But Bobby was not able to enjoy that. Why?
Ma'am, may I, Krishna?
Ramiza, are you here?
May I?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Bobby only wished they would all
Yes.
all get away.
Yes, she wanted to get away from everything. But why? Why was she feeling like that?
Ma'am,
Why
because
was
she
she not
wanted to go
enjoying
home.
that?
Ma'am, she wanted to go home.
She wanted to go home because she was not enjoying it, right? But why? Why was she not able to enjoy?
Ma'am,
When
because
somebody
she was
praises
sweating
you,
and feeling
you
hot.
will be happy. Yes, Krishna, what do you see?
Ma'am, because she was sweating, feeling hot and not feeling good.
Because she was feeling hot, okay, that can be one of the
She was
reasons.
not well.
Why was she feeling hot?
Ma'am, because of sweating. And ma'am, the fear of rain. How we will stop it?
But who had taken off their scarves also, then why they were feeling hot?
Ma'am,
Think.
because she was scared that how the train will stop or not.
That is fine. But now the train has stopped. Think. See, this is a natural thing, okay? When you feel scared or when you feel afraid, then most of your energy is lost, okay? Your mind keeps on telling your body to stay in a proper condition. All right, not to overthink, everything will be fine. But still, things happen. Lots of sweating is happening. The people are okay. So, being scared for a long time or feeling scared for a long time will cause you to lose all your energy. Okay, and Bobby had lost everything. She did not have any energy left in her. She was scared for so long. She was so worried, and moreover, she was the eldest sister. So it was her responsibility to take care of her younger siblings also. All right. So she was very scared. And now, when everything was over, the train was stopped, the accident was prevented, she wanted to go home and rest. She was tired. She had spent all her energy in worrying. So that is why she was not able to enjoy the praise and she just wanted to go home. So for this answer, you are going to write that Bobby was very scared about how the train was going to stop and she was also worried about her siblings. And this caused her to spend all her energy in worrying. That is why when the accident was prevented, she wanted to go home and rest. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, RTC, today's homework is that you are going to solve the RTCs. All right. Everyone is going to read the chapter and solve the RTCs. And it is for everyone. The children who have not answered today, they are going to answer tomorrow. Arav and Arush, Anuj, read the chapter. If you have to read it twice, thrice, do it. And solve these
Okay, ma'am.
RTCs. I want answers from everyone tomorrow. Please don't come to the class without reading the chapter. Is that
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
to everyone? You
Okay,
have
ma'am.
to read the chapter and you have to take part in the discussion. It's no use discussing the question answers if you do not take part. You are wasting your time, beta. If you discuss things in the class, it will save your studying time. You will not have to study it at home. In the exams, everything, all the concepts and everything, the story will be clear in your mind. And you'll be able to write answers on your own. You don't have to learn anything in English. So please put a little effort. English is not a very easy subject and you can score marks just like that. You have to work hard. Try to understand it. Just look at your marks. In UT1, you need to improve, all of you. Is that clear? Read the chapter today itself and solve these. Yeah. I want you to read it. Otherwise, see, you have 5 marks for your responsiveness in class, your attentiveness in class, and 5 marks for your attendance as well. So total 10 marks. If you do not take part in the class, I'm removing those 10 marks. I'm not giving you those 10 marks for free. Is that clear? If you
Yes,
do
ma'am.
not get the answers, you are not going to get a good score in the exam. I'm telling you. It is very, very important to take part, active part in the class. Just being present is not enough. I want each and every one of you to be very active. Okay, so read the chapter, solve the question answers today, and please send me the question answers today itself, not at 11:30 in the night. And I'm very happy that Akshara was taking active part today in the discussion. She was answering the questions. She was at
Yes,
least trying to do something.
Ma'am, I
Which is
have sent
good.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have
Thank
sent
you,
my
ma'am.
my work on
I have
at
seen your work, Anush, but your class performance is lagging. I'm not happy with your class performance, to be truthful.
okay, ma'am.
You need to improve. Lot of improvement is required. Just copying word meanings and new words and just sending it to me is not enough. You have 5 marks for homework as well, but class performance is also very, very important.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So try to improve your class performance. Okay, children. See you tomorrow. Please solve exercise C. Read the chapter thoroughly. You will find all the answers there.
Okay,
Put
ma'am.
yourself in the shoes of the 3 characters. There are only 3 characters. Okay. Try to imagine as if you are living that one day with them. And you'll be able to find all the answers. The answers are very, very easy. Okay? So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll discuss the RTCs. Please do the question answers and send it to me. Okay?
ma'am.
See you
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, bye, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.